You need to stop what you're doing because the Shark Never Change Air Purifier just went on sale. We purchased this for our family several months back. I am using it. It runs every single day. I absolutely love it. It's a never change filter, so the little slots on the side here, you actually pull those out. It catches the dust and dog hair, any of the things that you have in your house. It shows your percentage of clean air if you have good, fair, poor air. So like if we fry something, all of a sudden that little sensor goes down to our air is not okay. And it takes it a little bit, it cleans the air, and we are reset. Guys, this is something that gives me such a peace of mind to not just have an air purifier, but it's telling me if my air is clean. I'm going to link this below because this is the cheapest I've seen it. You can't get other places this cheap. So check it out here.